Today we are discussing question and answer for AWS Cloud Practitioner CLF. You can download the complete list of AWS based questions from the link provided in the description. Question is, how can you automate deployments on AWS? Correct answer is, you can automate deployments on AWS using service like AWS Code Pipeline, Continuous Integration and Continuous Delivery Services. AWS Code Deploy, Automated Deployment Service for EC2 instances, Lambda functions, and on-premises servers. AWS Elastic Beanstalk, service for deploying and managing applications in the AWS cloud without worrying about infrastructure provisioning. Question is, what are the differences between Amazon S3 and EBS? Correct answer is, Amazon S3 object storage service that allows you to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere on the web. It is highly scalable and designed for durability. Amazon EBS Elastic Block Store provides persistent block level storage volumes for use with EC2 instances. EBS volumes are suited for applications that require specific storage performance and need to persist beyond the life of an instance. Next question is, what is AWS CloudWatch logs? Correct answer is, AWS CloudWatch logs is a monitoring and logging service that allows you to monitor, store, and access log files from AWS resources like EC2 instances, Lambda functions, and more. You can use CloudWatch logs to centralize logs for easier analysis, troubleshooting, and archival. Next question is, explain the difference between horizontal and vertical scaling. Correct answer is, horizontal scaling, increasing the number of instances or nodes in a system to distribute the load and improve performance. It involves adding more resources like additional EC2 instances. Vertical scaling, increasing the resources, CPU, memory, storage of an existing instance or node to handle increased load. It involves upgrading the instance type to a larger one with more capacity. Next question is, what is the AWS shared responsibility model? Correct answer is, the AWS shared responsibility model defines the division of security responsibilities between AWS and customers. AWS is responsible for the security of the cloud, hardware, software, networking, and facilities. Customers are responsible for security in the cloud, data applications, identity and access management, operating system, and network configuration. Next question is, how does AWS KMS Key Management Service help with data encryption? Correct answer is, AWS KMS is managed service that allows you to create and control the encryption keys used to encrypt your data. It integrates with other AWS services like S3, EBS, and RDS to encrypt data at rest and in transit, ensuring secure handling of sensitive information.